guys, what's up? It's Red from the Himalayas coming back with another video. So, as y'all can see, my hair look cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Hello? Hello. Cute hairstyles. And since we're in quarantine, we're gonna try different stuff. If you guys have any requests, comment them down below. I'm gonna take a shower, wash my hair. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And let's hop in the shower. Okay guys, I'm back. I just got out of the shower. This is my hair wash with nothing in it. So the products that I used to wash my hair was...
The products that I use are Ozzy, the shampoo and conditioner. The first style is you're going to section off the two top parts of your hair just before the ear. I'm going to show y'all right now. Then you're going to get two ponytail holders and you're going to make two pigtails within those two sections that you made the parts with. Then you're going to comb it. You're going to get some conditioner and you're going to comb it, finger coil it, and you're going to do 2 strand twists. You're going to get some conditioner and you're going to comb it with your hands through your hair. The second style, what you're going to do is you're going to do the exact same parts, but you're going to make the parts bigger. You're going to grab a clip and you're going to place it in the back so that that hair right back there will not get in the hair in the front. You're going to do a zigzag part, but I recommend getting a big comb for this. As you guys can see, I switched combs because it was easier for me. I'm going to get another clip to make sure that that hair does not get with the other hair that you parted. You're going to get your brush, you're going to comb it down, and I use coiling cream instead of Eco Styler because I personally like it better than Eco Styler for this style. Then you're going to brush it down, you're going to get a ponytail holder, and you're going to tie it in the back. Then you're going to spray your hair with a spray bottle, and that is that style. The third style is you're going to get a wide tooth comb, the purple comb right there. You're going to section your hair off into 2 sections down the middle. Then you're going to grab a clip and you're going to section off your hair. You're going to grab some Eco Styler now and you're going to place that all on the left side of your head. You're going to get a brush and you're going to brush up really nice and slick to make sure that nothing is out, no flyaways are out. Make sure it's real nice and slick. You're going to grab a ponytail holder and you're going to make it into a ponytail on both sides. You're going to get some Eco Styler and you're going to lay those edges down. If you don't like your edges laid, then you don't have to do this step, but I personally do. For the fourth style, you're going to do you're not going to need another part. You're going to comb your hair out with a wide tooth comb. You're going to get some Eco Styler. You're going to place that all on your hair. And you're going to get a brush and you're going to get the back as well. And you're going to make sure that everything is on its right side and that nothing is in between the part that you parted your head. You're going to do that on the opposite side. You're going to get some more Eco Styler and you're going to do your edges all over again. For the fifth style, you're going to get 2 ponytail holders and you're going to just make a bun with the ponytails that we already made from the previous style. For the last one, you're going to get some water, spray it, your hair, and then you're going to get some Eco Styler and your brush, and you're going to just brush it all through your hair. This is going to be one ponytail, by the way. And you're going to just make sure it's really nice and slick. And I'm going to get my dimming brush. My dimming brush really make sure that all of the curls are nice and flat and nothing sticking out of place. And you're going to get that edges brush one more time because you're going to fix your edges if anything is messed up.
Thank you guys for watching this video. All the products that I use will be listed in the description box down below. All my social medias are down there too. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you guys have any comments or any requests, put those down there too. If you guys ever try out these styles, please send them to me on my Snapchat, my Instagram, or my Twitter. And I hope that you guys have a fantastic, marvelous day. And I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye!